Today, we're excited to introduce Claude's new advanced AI language model, 3.5 Sonnet. Recently, it has been rivaling GPT-4 and coming out on top in communication, technical ability, and speed. To get started, search for Claude 3.5 Sonnet and click the first link. Then click Try on Claude.ai and follow the simple sign-up procedure. Once finished, you will be on the home dashboard. From here, input a query you would like help with into the chat bar and upload any additional materials. Hit enter and your result will populate. You can easily copy the result or regenerate it if you're not satisfied. Moreover, you can continue the conversation by replying to its response using the bar at the bottom of the page. A unique feature of Claude is artifact mode. To enable it, locate your profile in the bottom left corner, click the drop-down menu, select Feature Preview, and turn on Artifacts. This mode is useful for all types of queries, but is particularly powerful for creating code from simple text prompts. In a teaching environment, you can use it to easily create engaging websites or activities for students, such as an interactive website with course information and quizzes accessible via a link. The free version of Claude provides limited daily access to the model and artifact mode. The Pro version, however, offers 5 times more usage time and access to Claude Haiku, their fastest model. Using Claude 3.5 Sonnet will increase productivity and provide new and exciting ways to engage your students in the classroom.